Hello there everyone. Today we're going to be working on a 2002 Oldsmobile Alero. We'll be replacing the complete strut assemblies front wheel. The one on this passenger side, the spring has actually snapped in half, so it needs to be replaced. Every time we go around a corner it makes a loud clunking noise as the spring adjusts with the turn. When you're going to look for tool sizes on what to use for this job, it's basically a 13mm socket, an 11mm socket, a 3/4 inch socket, and a 13/16 socket. You might need a screwdriver and hammer too, and maybe some other things, but that's what we'll need for sure. Alright, now we got to get the jack under her. That's our 3/4 inch. And this is our 13mm. Alright, so if you take a look up here, you'll see a broken spring. Lovely, huh? That's why we got to get this out. So we just got to remove these two large bolts here and the three up here on the strut tower. We'll start with the ones on the strut tower first, and we'll get the other ones. Oh, look at that. The new one looks freaking phenomenal. Alright, hammer. Get these two bolts out. Yeah. Now, these springs will only go on one way. And you'll notice that this is the bolt in, and the other two are the nuts. It's the only way it can go. Alright, we got the old one all out. We got the new bolts in. We haven't tightened them yet. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like after it's installed. These are fresh, brandy new, came with it. Looks good.
Remember to tighten everything to torque spec before you're finished. Have a good night.